Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet this sunflower. Sunflowers can be used as an applique or with the stem and leaves in a vase or bouquet. To do this, I'm using about 25 yards of worsted weight yarn and a G-hook. To begin the center section, you can either make a magic ring, or if you prefer to do an alternative, start off with a slip knot and then chain 1 very loosely. Next, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then in the 4th chain from the hook, which is that first very loose chain, make 11 double crochet stitches within it. It's also worth noting that to make the sunflower smaller, just use a thinner yarn or thread with its corresponding hook, and a thicker yarn and larger hook will make an even larger flower. Once completed, you'll have 12 stitches total. Slip stitch to close the circle. Chain 3 and make a double crochet in the very same stitch. Then in each stitch around, we'll make 2 double crochet stitches. This is your typical double crochet in the round type of circle. You'll have 24 stitches once completed. Fasten off and weave in all ends. Now that's the front of the flower. We also need to make a green circle using the same pattern for the back of the sunflower. And we'll put the 2 circles together, wrong sides touching back to back. Then we take our yellow yarn and make a slip knot on our hook. Then insert the hook under one of the stitches from the brown circle and into a stitch from the green circle. And complete the single crochet. Each petal will then follow the same pattern. Start with a chain 7 and make them loosely, otherwise each petal will tilt a bit to one side. Skip the first chain and in the next chain make a single crochet. Then in the next, a half double crochet. Then a double crochet. And a treble crochet. Then go backwards. Double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet through both circles. And you can see what it looks like. So going forward, just do the same thing. Chain 7 loosely, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet in both the brown and green circles. You'll continue making petals like this all the way around. Once completed, you'll slip stitch to the first single crochet. With my sunflower, I like to alternate the petals. I pull one forward and push the next one back, then forward, and then back, and so forth. Now, if your sunflower curls a bit too much, just pin it and spray it with some water, then let dry. These are made in a similar way. You'll start with a chain 11. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet. Then a half double crochet. Next, a double crochet. Now things change a bit. We're going to make 4 treble crochet stitches over the next 4 chains. Three, and 4. In the last 3 chains, we'll make a double crochet, then a half double crochet, Then finally a single crochet. You can see what this half of the leaf looks like. Chain 1 and pivot your work so we can work on the other side of the chain. And on the opposite side of the stitches, we'll repeat. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, then 4 treble crochet stitches. Three and 4. Next double crochet, followed by a half double crochet, and finally a single crochet. Then just slip stitch to the top to close up the leaf. To make these sunflowers for a vase or a bouquet, I like to use either green dowels or a floral stem, and then place the stem between the brown and green sections and hot glue it in place. Then you can hot glue the leaves to the stem as well. And that's it. That's how I crochet a sunflower.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.